All right, so up on the roof, do a quick video here. First of all, this roof here is a 3-tab architectural shingle. This looks like a 25-year shingle, and I believe the house was built in '99, so this would put the roof age right at the 25 years old. So you can already tell that somebody did some repairs. They resealed this around the chimney, or not the chimney, the plumbing vent, as well as this one. That's pretty common. Those do go, they dry out and they crack, so sealing them is not uncommon to see. There are some signs of, that it's gonna need to be replaced soon. Just the simple fact of the age. If it's a 25-year shingle, it's 25 years old, it's gonna need to be replaced soon. Down here, right here, there's a shingle that is broken off and missing a tab, I should say, and that is a sign of that the roof is starting to fail. You can see here there was one shingle that was replaced. So, and also you can look at the neighbor next door. They have already replaced their roof. So you look around, there's some other roofs. You can tell the next one over was replaced. The one after that is the original, and then down further they're replaced. So, this one over here, you can see is original. Most of them have been replaced here. So, yeah. So, can you get by for a little while yet until you need to replace it? Yes, you will be able to get by for a little bit. Not a fan really of this. Looks like the neighbor put in some sort of stove, and they did choose to use the real estate over here on this roof for their bracket. Not a big fan of that. I get why they did it, but if it was my house, I wouldn't want that on my roof. But probably the old neighbors were friends, and they said, sure, no problem, go ahead and do it. So, one of those things. But yeah, pretty simple roof, not a whole lot going on here. So that ought to do it.